Ready?
Tanner?
That was
Fuck
bad.
that nigga's couch.
That was
Fuck authority.
James,
You
jump!
think of
James,
that?
jump! No, I didn't!
fucking A.
Jump.
All my balls hurt.
That was, did you say your balls hurt?
I do.
Alright, you ready?
Thank you for sharing.
In the water.
Okay.
Hurry up and jump in. Okay, Allie, go.
Hurry up.
So where's my hair?
And now, your hair?
My hair on my head. I didn't know where it was.
Where do I go? Oh, is it already recording?
Yeah, just have to walk.
And here goes Marky.
Wait, you have to be in there.
Hold, hold.
You jump in first.
I know.
Everybody make James lifeguard jump in first. I'm gonna jump in too. Whee!
You get it and I'll get it.
Marky, let's go.
Hold on,
Alright, Marcus. And who says black people can't
Marky.
swim?
Allie, hurry up. Jump to me. Marky, jump to me.
Holy shit.
Come on, Allie. Come on, Allie.
Look
at
her!
Holy shit.